Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a gadget that allows you to fill the cistern for your Thetford cassette toilet up without making a mess. And it's been invented by a caravanner just like us. Now, as you know, on the channel we like to show you new, improved and brilliant ideas that people have come up with to make caravanning a lot simpler. So let's chat about Caravan Funnels for you. So who's behind this product? Well, it's a chap called Kevin, and Kevin is an engineer by trade, but he's also a very avid caravanner and he goes out most weekends. And like us, he was getting fed up with having to clean up every time he filled up the cistern for his cassette toilet. So he come up with Caravan Funnels for you, which is this. Let's have a look at this in more detail and I'll show you how it works. So this is the Caravan Funnel for you. It's injection moulded plastic and it comes in three bright colours. It comes in orange, it comes in green and it also comes in yellow, which is great because you can put it in your front gas locker, and if it's a bit dark you're always going to find it because it's quite bright, and I like the idea of that. This is the neck where we fill into, and it fits perfectly inside the aperture of the Thetford cistern filler. And it's also got a very wide mouth, allowing it to allow more water to fill in, thus making it quicker to fill up. Also, if you can see the angle there, it's perfect shaped, and it's going to make it a lot easier as well. Now, on most modern caravans these days, the Thetford filler neck is standard. And it's designed like this. It's got an arch opening here, and to be honest, it's really a nuisance to try and fill. I've spilt it when filling loads of times, and I end up having to clean it up, and I hate that. So what Kevin's done is he's mimicked the actual slot hole but made it slightly smaller, so it fits in like so, and the angle of the funnel makes it a lot easier to fill, and it's got a very wide mouth, so you're going to get less or no spills when you're filling up with this. Well folks, what do I think of the Caravan Funnel for you? I think it's a very clever and simple idea. Why somebody else hasn't thought about it, I really don't know, but Kevin has, and this is his product, and I think it's very good. It's made of plastic, it's very durable, you can sling it in the front gas locker and forget about it until you need it, and it's going to be there to do its job. I like the fact that it fits in the aperture of the Thetford cassette filler system really easy. It does reduce spills, and for me that's a winner. Now, if you're interested in this product, you can get it from the link below, and if you type in Lost Weekends you can get a 10% discount. So you'll be supporting a small business, a UK business, as well as getting something that's going to make your life easier when you're caravanning. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you'll join us again real soon, but in the meantime, bye for now.